Everyone's talking about AI like it's the next gold rush, but let's be honest, most people aren't making a single dollar from it. Meanwhile, a small group of people are quietly using AI to print cash, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a week with tools that anyone can learn. And here's the thing, I've personally spent thousands of dollars testing these tools inside my own companies, and some of them have paid me back tenfold. So I would happily pay thousands more for a few of these because they just print me money. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 AI businesses that can make you around $2,500 a week, even if you're starting from scratch. I'll show you what they are, what tools to use, and how much work each one takes. By the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Chidester. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs build profitable online businesses, and right now, AI is the biggest opportunity I've seen in over a decade. If I lost everything tomorrow, no team, no followers, just a laptop, these are the 5 I'd build again to get back to $10,000 weeks. And if you're serious about making money with AI instead of just watching everyone else do it, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's dive in. Starting with number 5, the white label SaaS reseller. This one builds real wealth. Here's how it works. Instead of promoting someone else's software, you license an AI platform and rebrand it as your own. Then you sell it to businesses as your own automation system or CRM, and they pay you every month to use it. So think of it like owning digital real estate. You control the building, and every tenant, your clients, pays you rent monthly. So tools you can white label are Go High Level, Klimbo, or Vendasta. Now, full transparency, this one takes more effort up front. You'll need to learn the setup, onboarding, and branding. Running ads or webinars helps a lot when scaling, but once it's live, it's recurring monthly revenue, what we like to call MRR. This is exactly what I do with Elite360.io, my own software company. Now, we package automations, chat systems, and CRM tools together under one platform. It's the same idea, and it can bring in tens of thousands every month just from subscription and upsells. The cost of it is medium, so $299 to $600 a month for your base software. The effort is medium to high. Think about the setup, the sales, and the client onboarding. And the potential is $3,000 to $5,000 a day once scaled with recurring users. And I know this because I've actually done this myself. You're not just chasing one-time sales, you're stacking subscribers. That's how you build freedom income, not freelance income. Now, before we get into the next ones, I want to walk you through the 4-step AI startup checklist. No matter which business you start, here's the 4-step checklist I use to make money fast. Test. Pick a niche and confirm people want it. So don't guess, go talk to actual business owners and figure out their pain points. Close, get paid before you build it. So contrary to popular belief that you need to have a fully dialed in product first, make a simple 1-page offer, pitch it, and collect payment. If they pay, it's validated. 3 is deliver. So get your first client results fast. Forget fancy branding, just get them a win. That's your proof in marketing. And then finally, number 4 is scale. Turn it into a repeatable system. Once it works, automate it. That's how you grow fast with speed. Now, this works for every AI business you'll see next. Now, AI doesn't replace effort, but it does multiply your output. Now, moving on to number 4, an AI appointment setter. This one's wild. Businesses literally pay you to replace their receptionist with an AI that books calls better than a human. You set up an AI voice agent that talks to leads, answers questions, and books appointments automatically. So no missed calls, no I'll call back later, just book calendars and more sales. Tools you can use to do this are High Level, Air.ai, Atlas AI, Poly AI, or 11 Labs for lifelike voices. The cost is pretty low, so it's under $100 to start. The effort I would say is medium. You have to learn call flows and simple automations. The potential is $500 to $1,000 a day once you land a few clients. Businesses love this because you're replacing a $3K a month employee with something that never sleeps, never complains, and never forgets to follow up. Now, moving on to number 3, an AI content repurposing agency. If you've seen short podcast clips blow up on TikTok and Instagram, that's this business. You take long form videos, podcasts, webinars, YouTubes, and then you turn them into short viral clips using AI. Now, every brand needs content daily, but most don't have time to edit. You become their shortcut. Tools you can use for this are Opus Clip, Runway ML, or Descript. The cost is usually pretty low. It's just software subscriptions. The effort is, I would say, medium. So you need to learn good hooks, pacing, and storytelling, and the potential is $500 plus a day depending on how many clients you have. Some agencies will try to charge anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 a month for repurposing 30 to 60 videos. Now, you're not just editing, you're helping them grow. If you can help someone create more content with less effort, you'll always have clients. Next up is number 2, an AI sales chatbot. This one's an absolute no-brainer. You build an AI chatbot that handles all customer DMs, texts, and live chats and turns those conversations into sales. It's like like hiring a 24/7 salesperson that never takes a break. Tools you can use for this are ChatGPT API, GetRevio, or High Level. The cost is medium, so around $100 to $300 startup. The effort is medium. You need to learn conversational sales flows. The potential is $1,000 to $1,500 a day. Businesses lose thousands every month because they don't reply fast enough. If you can fix that, they pay. Simple as that. And last but not least, number one, an AI Creative and UGC Generator. This one's exploding right now. You've probably seen those super realistic AI videos and creators using them for storytelling and ads. That's this. You use AI to create ad videos, UGC style content, and product photos that look completely real, all from your laptop. Someone who knows how to write great prompts can easily sell this service for hundreds, even thousands per project. Tools you can use for this are HeyGen, Runway ML, Pika Labs, Midjourney, and I'm gonna butcher this, Synthesia. The cost is medium, $100 to $300 a month. The effort is medium to high. It takes practice with prompts and creative testing. The potential is $1,000 to $2,500 a day with creative packages or retainers. And I personally use this myself inside my company. We're consistently and constantly testing new AI-generated ad creatives. We found they get cheaper lead costs, faster testing cycles, and better engagement than many traditional video ads, even if they look a little bit wonky, because they do some of the time. When you combine strong ad strategy with great AI visuals, your results will explode. So imagine running a service where you help other businesses to do the same, saving them money, create better performing ads, and doing it faster than a traditional agency. That's why if I had to start from zero again today, this is the one I'd personally pick, because right now, this service is printing money. You're helping brands lower costs, scale faster, and stand out. And they'll happily pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars for the right kind of content. All you need are great prompts, a good eye for a story, and a laptop. So here's your roadmap to $2,500 a week with AI. White label SaaS, which is recurring income and can give you ultimate leverage. AI appointment setter, so it's low cost and massive demand. AI content repurposing, this is good for you if you're creative. AI sales chatbot, which can automate revenue while you're asleep. And then finally, AI ad creative, which is great for high ticket services. Pick one, follow the 4-step AI startup checklist, and execute. AI doesn't replace entrepreneurs, but it now is multiplying the ones who don't take action. If you got value from this, just smash that like button. It helps more than you guys can even imagine. Subscribe for more weekly breakdowns on how to build, scale, and automate your business using AI. And comment below, which of these AI businesses would you start first? I read every single comment myself. And if you want to learn how to use AI ad creatives and get cheaper leads, then watch this video right here.